someone that has been around the TechPoint family for many, many years, it's great to see how much you've grown and the connection that continues to grow with this organization. A lot of learning, a lot of great conversations around AI and what we're trying to build here and the community that it's trying to build.
The more collaborative we can have conversations and brainstorming, the better off we're going to be in the long run.
So many young professionals, scholars who are all excited about the AI work and how we can have a human-centric approach to how we look at these processes, how do we look at the next generation of work, and how we look at supporting our young professionals in their next career.